Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to cook eggplant, potato and green pepper stir fry. This recipe is so healthy and delicious. I guess you will definitely love it. So now let's start cooking. We first need to cut the eggplant like this. Add some salt to the eggplant. Mix well and marinate for 10 minutes. While the eggplant is being marinated, we can cut some potato. Prepare the pan and add some cooking oil to it. Put the potato into the pan. Fry the potato until it becomes slightly brown. Then take the potato out from the pan. Now that the eggplant is ready, we can squeeze the juice out from it. Why we are doing this is because that when stir-frying eggplant, it would tend to absorb too much oil. If we can get the juice out from the eggplant before stir-frying it, it will require less oil, and that will be healthier. There is no need to clean the pan, just add the eggplant into it. Stir fry until the eggplant becomes soft. Add the potato back into the pan. Stir fry to warm up the potato. Now we can chop some scallion and mince some ginger. Add them into the pan. Soon you will be able to smell the flavor of scallion. Then we can mix everything well. Now cut some green pepper and add into the pan. Stir fry again. Don't overcook the green pepper because we want it to stay crispy. Now we can make the sauce. We need half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 spoon of cooking wine, 2 spoons of soy sauce, 1 spoon of dark soy sauce, 1 spoon of oyster sauce, half spoon of sesame oil, some starch, some water. Mix well and pour the sauce into the pan. Stir fry and mix everything well. In the end, mince some garlic and add into the pan. The garlic will stay a little bit spicy in this way, and we will prefer the taste. Turn off the heat and it is ready. This is today's cooking recipe. If you like it, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot and I'll see you guys soon.